Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you very easy and simple Valentine card. Anyone can make this. So I'll just fold this cardstock, and now this is a foam glitter sheet heart. I have already cut it, and this is pipe cleaner. It is easily available in the market in a stationery shop. I'll just spiral around this in this manner. And with the help of double side tape, I'll stick it here. Remove this. Stick here. And now comes the sentiments. I'll just apply glue. So this is it. I hope you like my video. This is very easy and simple, and anyone can make this card. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of my new uploads. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.